Good morning, children. Welcome to Herleen Ma'am's class. Today, we're going to start a new chapter from Images, Grade 2, The Two Sculptors. Yes, Grade 2, Chapter 3, The Two Sculptors. Sculptor is a person who makes statues, right? You have a painter who paints, you have an artist who draws. All of them are artists, actually. Any form of art they do. So a sculptor is somebody who makes statues. This is a statue of Gautam Buddha I got for you. And yes, just to show it to you. All right. Now, all of you, are we ready? Okay, yes, we start with the CRI. That is the connect, reflect and imagine part. Have you ever felt jealous of someone or something also? How did you feel about it? Yeah, we all have. Sometimes jealous of someone or something. Yes, especially somebody who has something what we don't have. You're jealous of them. Well, it's not a nice thing to be jealous anyways, but we can discuss that. The next we can move to reflect part. We all have lots of friends, and why do we fight with our friends? Have you ever thought about that? Yes, the first one is jealousy. We are jealous of a friend sometimes. You might be a best friend. She might be like, okay, I am your best friend, but when in that race she gets the gold medal and you get the silver, there is a pinch. You feel that pinch, right? No, that's not a nice thing to be jealous. Competitions are good as long as they're taken in a healthy manner, children. Not in an unhealthy manner, right? So friends fight. There could be a misunderstanding. Somebody could be better than that. They stop talking to you. There are lots of reasons why friends fight, right? We move on to the imagine part. Have you ever helped a friend who was in trouble? What kind of trouble could a friend be in? Lots of troubles, maybe trouble with homework, trouble at home. Have you ever helped a friend? If not, this is your time to help your friend. Help a friend. You'll feel good about it. All right. So before taking too much time, after the CRI, we move on to the chapter, The Two Sculptors. How important is it for anybody to win a competition? What is a competition? A competition is, yes, a group of people trying to achieve something, get selected for, yes, a winner. You're right. Competitions, children, are very good to some level, yes. But I think you all are too young to understand that. Yes, we've been having competitions in schools, but we try to grade you rather than, name you in like first, second, third. As long as you perform your best, it doesn't matter whether you've got the gold or the silver, as long as you performed well. Yes, let's start with the chapter. Good morning, children. Welcome to Herleen Ma'am's class. That's Images 2, Chapter The Two Sculptors. How important is it to win a competition? Find out how a sculptor is punished for being mean. Mean, wicked, uncaring, nasty. So should we read the story about that? All right, finger reading, everyone. Once upon a time, there lived a kind king. His subjects loved him very much. In his kingdom, there lived two sculptors. They were called Chandra and Lakshman. The king liked their work very much and was very fond of them. One day, the king decided to hold a competition to find out who was the greater artist between the two. So, once upon a time, there was this kingdom ruled by a very kind king. Yes, he was a very kind king, a good king. And there were two sculptors there. What were the name of the two sculptors? Chandra and Lakshman. They both were great artists. A sculptor is somebody, like I told you, who makes statues, right? Now, the king he enjoyed their work very much and was very fond of him. When you're fond of somebody, you really like somebody. One day, the king decided that he's going to have this competition where they're going to compete with each other to find out who's the better, Chandra or Lakshman. Chandra was a very mean sculptor. I have to defeat Lakshman somehow, he thought. So just before the day of the competition, he went to Lakshman and said, "Please lend me your tools. I can't find my tools at home." Chandra is mean. So what do you think he did? He went to Lakshman's house and he says, "You know what? There's a competition coming up. I can't find my tools," what he has to work on, the tools he uses to make a sculpture. You know the tools you use? They use different kinds of tools to make the statues. He says, "I can't find my tools. Lakshman, could you please lend them to me?" Lakshman was a kind man, very unlike Chandra. Chandra was mean and nasty. Lakshman was a kind man, a caring man. He happily gave his tools to Chandra. Chandra used the tools so roughly that they soon became blunt. What do you mean by blunt? Which is not sharp. He started to make the statues in such a horrible manner that he made all his tools very, very blunt so that he could not use them for the competition. What a mean thing to do, right? Lakshman was shocked to see his tools. "I think I should withdraw from the competition," thought Lakshman. He says, "I'm going to withdraw. I'm going to pull myself out of it. I'm not going to take part in this competition because all my tools are so blunt. I can't win the competition. I cannot make statues out of these." But it was too late. It was too late for him to withdraw himself, to move out of the competition. You have to make a bust of the king. You have to make a bust of the king, announced the herald. Who's a herald? Herald is a person in a kingdom who announces news. So he says, for example, it is Gautam Bodhaya. He says you have to make the bust. The bust is the upper part from the shoulders till here. Till here, you have to make the bust of the king. That is a statue you have to make, Lakshman and Chandra. But you two will have to exchange your tools. A sculptor can work best with his own tools. A great sculptor is one who can work with someone else's tools. So do you see the catch here? Chandra had borrowed Lakshman's tools so that he could use them in a rough manner, make them blunt, and he could win the competition and Lakshman loses. But when the herald announces, what do they have to do for the competition? They have to make the bust of the king, the shoulder and the upper part, and they have to use some other sculptor's tools, not their own tools. Because he says, well, a sculptor can work very well with his own tools, but when you have to use somebody else's and make the best statue, you will be the greatest sculptor. Chandra was shocked to hear this. Why was he shocked? He was shocked because he thought he had to make with his tools, and he had Lakshman's tool borrowed, and what did he do? He just uses them in a rough manner and they all are blunt. Now Chandra will have to use Lakshman's tools, right? They have to exchange, and Lakshman will use Chandra's tool. Lakshman quickly took Chandra's tools and gave him his tools. Lakshman knew it. That all right, my tools are very blunt. He's done it on purpose. He was mean and now he's going to pay for it. Using Chandra's tools, Lakshman carved his sculpture easily. Why easily? Because Chandra's tools are not blunt. He did a nasty and a mean thing by making Lakshman's tools blunt. But now the herald has said, the king is saying the competition will be with each other's tools. You have to exchange the tools. Lakshman with Chandra's and Chandra with Lakshman's. But Chandra could not work with Lakshman's tools. Why is that? Because he himself had borrowed them and he uses them in such a rough manner and he gives them in a very, very blunt state. Yes, so that he could not make it. But the rules changed of the competition. Chandra had to work with Lakshman's tools, so he could not do a good job at the sculpture. Oh, what a fool I've been! I have been punished for being mean, thought Chandra. Yes, he realizes his mistake and he says, "What a fool I've been. Now I was mean and I'm punished for it because I cannot win the competition because I don't have the proper tools. I have actually ruined, yes, Lakshman's tools." Lakshman won the competition easily. The king rewarded him very well with lots of things, I'm sure. Chandra lost because of his folly and jealousy. Folly, foolishness. Chandra was a fool. It's something like tomorrow you have a race maybe, and you go and maybe take off the laces of your competitors who's competing with you, or you put some pins in it, yes, and then they say, all right, the competition now is you have to exchange the shoes, and you get that pair of shoes in which you put the needles or pins. Oh my God, you were being mean and jealous, right? So children, the moral of the story is be kind, be good to each other. Competition or no competition, it doesn't matter, right? You have to be righteous, you have to be honest, you have to be kind, and you don't have to have any jealousy for anybody. Don't be foolish by doing things like that. Win something on your own grounds, and like I said before, it's really okay if you don't, as long as you put in your 100%. That's all you have to do, and leave the rest to God. Everything will be fine. All right, I hope you enjoyed the chapter as much as I did. And if you did, do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. I'll see you soon.